Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20D of chapter 20, mensuration. One question is written here. Question number 2. In this question, find the height of a triangle having an area 72 cm square and base 16 cm. Students, in this question, area and base are given. We have to find height of the triangle. So, area of the triangle equal to 72 cm square. That implies area of the triangle equal to formula is 1 by 2 into base into height equal to 72 cm square. That implies 1 by 2 into base is 16 cm, height is h equal to 72 cm square. 2 is just 16. That implies h equal to 72 cm square. Here 8 is multiplied by transposition change into divide. Divided by 8 cm. Cm cancel to cm square. 8 9 ja 72 equal to 9 cm. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4 of exercise 20D. In this question, find the base of a triangle whose area is 90 cm square and height is 12 cm. So, given area equal to 90 cm square. Height equal to 12 cm. Therefore, find the base. Base of a triangle. Base of a triangle equal to 2 into area. 2 into area by height. Equal to 2 into area, that means 2 into 90 cm square. Divided by height is 12 cm. Cm cancel by cm square. 2 6 ja 12 and 15 6 ja 90. So 15 cm. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5 of exercise 20D. In this question, the base of a triangular field is 3 times its height if The cost of cultivating the field at rupees 1080 per hectare is rupees 14,580. Find its base and height. So let height be x and base be 3x. Given base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. So let height be x and base be 3x. Find area of the field equal to total cost by weight. Total cost by rate of cultivation equal to weight is rupees 14,580 by 1,080. 0 to 0 cancel. 1,458. 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8. It is divisible by 9. And 1 plus 8 is 9. It is also divisible by 9. So 9 1 ja 9, 1 8, 9 2 ja 18. It is divisible by 9 1 ja 9, 5, 14 minus 9, 5, 55, 9 6 ja 54. And 1 8 18, 9 2 ja 18. Now 12 times 12, it is divisible by 61729. 6 times 6 2 ja 12 and 8 2 ja 2 8 ja 16. Sorry, 6 2 ja 12 and 6 2 ja 12, 6 6 2 ja 6 2 ja 12 and 6 2 ja 12, 4 and 7 2 ja 7 6 ja 42 equal to 27 by 2 hectare. Hectare. Now hectare change into meter square. So 27 by 2, 27 by 2 into 10,000. Meter square. So divisible by 2, 5,000. Equal to 27 5 ja 135 and 000 meter square. Now, according to question, area of the field equal to 135,000 meter square equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So base is 3x into x equal to 135,000 meter square. 3x square. So x square equal to 135,000 divided by 3 and multiply by 2. 5 plus 3 8 plus 9 divisible by 3. So 3 4 ja 12, 1 5 15, 3 5 ja 15 and 000 equal to 42 2 ja 90 and 000. X equal to that implies under root 90,000 equal to 300 meter. So height equal to x equal to 300 meter and base equal to 3x equal to 3 into 300 meter equal to 900 meter. Answer. Student, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8 of exercise 20D. In this question, the legs of a right triangle, are in the ratio 3:4 and its area is 1014 cm square. Find the length of its legs. So the let the legs of a right triangle. Let the legs of a right triangle be 3x and 4x. Let the legs of a right triangle be 3x and 4x. According to question, area of the right triangle equal to 1014 cm square. That implies area of the right triangle equal to 1 by 2 into product of its legs. Product of its legs equal to 1014 cm square. That implies 1 by 2 into product of legs be 3x and 4x. 3x into 4x equal to 1014 cm square. Next step is 3x into 4x, 12x square. 12x square by 2. Sorry. Here 2 to the 4. So 3 to the 6. x square equal to 1014 cm square. Next step is x square equal to 1014 divided by 6. 6 times 6 1 ja 6, 4, 41, 6 6 ja 36, 41, 41 minus 36, 41 minus 36, 5, 54, 54, 6 9 ja 54 equal to 169. Now that implies x equal to under root 169. That means 13 cm. So let's be first let's 3x 3 into 13 cm equal to 39 cm, and second 4x equal to 4 into 13 cm equal to 52 cm. Understand and write it. Friends, today your homework is solve exercise 20D question number 1 to 8. Thank you. That's all.